Guys, abandoned family home on a farm. I think the owners are just up the road there. We're just past somebody, but we're just here walking the dog. But as you can see, it's obviously been burnt and set on fire. Bear with me for a minute. Quite windy the day. Just get a couple of these snapshots. Well, look, you've got there. It's obviously. Does that bit go all the way through? A wee jacuzzi? Oh, aye. Wow, this is quite old, this. Look, you can see the old. Wow, look at that, jacuzzi. That's actually quite cool. But you can see all the jacuzzi bits. Right. That's actually quite cool. Got plugs on the wall. Really old fireplace right there. I think a fly or something went in my. Look at that old door. There's the. Look. It obviously goes in there. Must be like a cat flat or something. Got an old shed here. Collapsed. Quite cool though, to be fair. Guys, bear with me, I'm just trying to get a picture. Yeah. Ah! Oh, I just got stung. Yeah? Aye? I forgot to bring my big torch.
It's not that dark because there's all the windows open.
Look. Old phone. We've got a random set of ladders just hanging there. Watch this glass in here. That must be the other part of the phone. Little tiles. This would have been a lovely wee, like, look at that, went straight outside. That's quite cool. I'm going to be stunning my leg.
Otherwise, both that photos.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the old curtains. Look at that. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at the curtains still in here. But it must have been children in here, because look at that. Look, there'll be coat hanger. Cool, you notice 3 things like that. What's in here? Whoa. Oh, this is over him. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, this must have been the old lampshade that was up there. Look. Oh, the floor, you can feel the...
Spun enough.
Let's set that right there. Little fireplace. Oh, what people live for, the old copper boiler. Oh, bloody hell, that gave me a fright. Loo, this is the loo, guys. Oh, it's a bit freezing. That's actually not too bad, to be fair. Really old fashioned. This must have been like the mum's, like older family. It's cool to see things like this still intact, but you think like, even the, obviously there's been people here vandalising it, probably over the years. Look, what's this? Some sort of swung lid. So, there's even still toilet paper in here. Look, mad. So if you need the bog, or you're on an explore. There, had the light up there. Just going at this dark room. Oh, the smell, look at the mould in that in there. Oh, cool to see all the old curtains though, like the patterns of the old curtains and stuff. Wow, look at this, look, you got the wooden bit and the rope, that is actually quite cool that. Guys, look at that, they made like a rope banister. Wait, one at a time, because you don't know how safe it is. Down! Oh, aye, you can feel it wobbly. Oh, it's been set on fire.
That door's giving me the freak.
It is giving me the freak. This is only probably one person at a time, I can feel. Oh, this feels. I don't think 2 is all able to stand up here.
No.
Oh, it's been set on fire up here.
I know, I can do that outside.
Oh. Oh, shame. Probably gonna say, oh man, I feel that floor doesn't feel very safe. Whoa, look at the beams, they're like bending and coming down. I've got like a nice fireplace over there, but you can't really see. I'm not really able to stand on that because it looks bad underneath. So if I stand on that and all that weight on top of that, it's quite dangerous. Will the key still work actually? No. Fires obviously. Oh, these stairs feel dodgy. This rope banister is actually pretty cool. Pretty cool that. Obviously you must have had like youngsters coming here over the years and just trashing it and setting it on fire. Which is a shame. Oh look, there's look, what's this? This is obviously something like a flow vent thing. I don't know, there's another one. That's obviously what that is over there. You've got, we'll check over what that is over there. Look, you've got the old, this is must have where the cayman sat. Look. Pretty cool. Got the old shed over there. Let's go and see if we can see anything in it, but I doubt it. Obviously that was probably intact at one point and then it's been set on fire. Come on, we'll walk back to that way and go and have a look at it. I think there was something over there, wasn't there? Ah, the ticks. I don't think you'll get ticks here, I don't think. Aye, it would have been. Maybe been the mother and father years ago. This house. Random to see a hot tub in there though, eh? Mm-hmm. Where was it we seen that?
I can smell like wands and stuff.
Aye, I thought that. Oh, this, let's go and check this out. Maybe there could be a car. Aye, maybe there could be a car in here. I doubt it. Looks like it would have been a lovely place at one point.
Garage.
Garage. Really old-fashioned garage. Probably once old house. Look at the light. Really old. Pretty cool. Not bad for just made out of like wood. Well guys, that's it for this video.